Hi, welcome to Real Good Gear, and today we're reviewing the 5G Wi-Fi Rearview camera. Packaging is really nice, and I'm going to bring up some specifications of the camera itself. I'll just tell you, it's a 720p HD camera, and the camera quality, I have to say, is extremely good. What do you get in the box? You get two cables, one of them's here and one I've already connected to the car just to save time. The difference between the two cables is very little. It's got the same connector that connects to the camera, and this one has a USB that you could connect to any car USB port, which requires 5 volts. It will not work without 5 volts, max is 12 volts. The other cable has a positive and a negative on it, that's the only difference. And also this connects to the camera itself, and here's the HD camera with a connector on the end and also the Wi-Fi cable, right? You just twist this to find the connection part, just slide it in and push hard and it sort of clicks in. It's not coming out very easily, and it's really well put together. I have to say, I quite like the design of it, and the quality of it is good. Also, what comes in the box is the instruction manual. I have to say they've done a really good job on the instruction manual. It's fairly clear. That's what's in the box. So let's connect it to the car and then show you some of the features. So here's the bracket I installed earlier on, and behind the bracket there's a double-sided sticky pad that you've put on first before you install the bracket, and that way you don't have to hold the bracket in place. You can just put it on and then put the 2 screws in, and it screws into plastic quite easily. I'll show you once I've installed the camera. So here you see I've connected the camera. I've ran the wire underneath the roof lining, down the side panel and out of the side. We have the negative and the positive wire connected temporarily, and I've got it connected it to a 12 volt supply from a power outlet in the back of the vehicle. I would suggest really you connect it to a permanent 12 volts if you want to do this. As you can see now, as the boot is closed, the camera is facing downwards so it can see the ground, so you can sort of see like that. Right, and now we're just going to step inside and connect it to the phone. So I've come to a car parking area to show you how this application works with the camera. So basically I'm going to reverse park the car, and we're going to press the application, and you can see instantly it's connected to the camera. So now I've got it in reverse, and we're just going to show you it reversing backwards, and you can see as I line it up with the lines on the side, and we can park the car. And so that works perfectly fine. You can see the camera quality is excellent, no issues at seeing during the daytime. I'll also record it at night so you can see how clear it is at night time. So another feature of this application is that if we go into Joy Trip and we're going to remove the lines here for reversing just by turning this off, and if we go back into the application, you can see now it's no longer there, and you can also see the birds flying around. What you have is a feature to record. You can record whatever is happening behind, or you can take a photograph. So if you're in some sort of problem or you're getting harassed by someone, this is a great feature to have on this, being able to record it on your phone and capture whatever is taking place. So if I stop it there, and we can also take a photograph, and there you go, there's another. So if I go into gallery now and go into video, you can see these are the videos that I've recorded. Right, you can see the bird in the left hand side moving around, so you can see it's actually recorded. So if we now go into photograph, we find the same thing, and you can see there the birds a shot of, and another photograph. So it's a great feature to have. So now we'll have a look at the quality of the night camera. So this is a camera at night, and you can see it's clear enough to see what it's like to reverse. In fact, actually it's much better than I expected. So to get out of the gate you still need to use your mirrors, but the camera itself is absolutely fine at night time. It's clear enough to see what's going on. So you come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Conclusion is Great camera, great features, great build quality, easy installation and very good price. I don't think you could ask for much more. I give it a thumbs up. I would recommend it, and I'll leave a link in the description down below. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or any comments, please leave them down below. Thank you. Until next time, take care.